Good morning, everyone. Don't mind me. I'm just trying to fix my webcam right now because you can see a quarter of my face. Hi in waves and your name's not coming through. So, not sure who you are. Okay, that works. Webcam. If I go up here, yeah, it's still not doing what I want. What if I, then I add a source and we want a video capture device. Open VR, no. Audio, no. Video capture, there we go. Add source. No, not existing source. Add a new source. Add source, and it is going to be, there we go. Use hardware. Close. Where did it go? This we're going to remove. Yes. Color space, buffering. does not seem to be working, chat. As you can see, we're getting ready to finish the fields today, but I really want to get my cam to work. Add source, webcam. I will have to figure this out. Oh, wait. Close. Okay, that one's working. Now, if I hide that one, then I add virtual camera, add source. How are you doing today, Regina? Use hardware. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is just gonna have to be figured out later. Oh, and now it starts working. There we go. Now I just need to adjust. Oh, did I break it again? Yes, I did. Mirror. Camera. Save. Save. And I zoomed too much. There we go. Okay. That looks a little better. Now, one thing, where is streaming avatars? Shift, streaming avatars, unlock, shift, a boop. And oh, wait. And whoop. There we go. Now the streaming avatars won't be flying over my face. Okay. Lock that down. There. Sorry about that little delay and everything, everyone. And I'm back. Haven't streamed in a while. Allergies been killing me, RL going on, but I'm back. Done a lot of updates to the back end of the fields. Got the API now working correctly. Show that to you. Can close that. Close that. So simplified the API a lot. Got rid of most of the math. Now it all calculates in, where does it calculate? Timer. No, start, grow. It's an old API. Oh, that's why that's 17.5. That was the old API with all the math and stuff still. Here is the new API. And see, it's a lot more streamlined. And here's where all the growing's done. Got rid of all that math and stuff and just does a straight percent there. Gonna turn on some face light. Be right back. Okay, a little bit of face light. So. And camera again. There we go. That'll work. Not going to mess with camera anymore. Okay. So that's the new API. So what we're doing now is we're just updating all the fields and putting the new API into them. And then that'll be the fields ready for release. Okay. So we just resed out the large field. We're just going to copy its position and just res out the rest of the fields. There's those four. Medium field. Yeah, good position. Got to copy the position. And I do promise you, just after this is done, we're going straight into Godot today. I've gotten all other issues taken care of for now. You guys always seem to find more issues, but there's those four. Small field. Vegetable. Vineyard. Unless you guys want me to update the herb plots today, I could do that before we go to Godot. And I think a lot of you herbalists are waiting for that too. So you can set out single herb plots. Okay, yeah, those are all out. So now I just update them. And while we're waiting for those to update, I can look in my herb garden. Edit. Content. No Casper, no Casper. So we're going to edit linked. I want a sign. Oh. Sign base. Ah, crap. Okay, both parts of the sign text, sign base, topsoil, bottom soil, and prim. Unlike. Oh, whoops. Edit linked. Unlink. You know what? So what's the difference between a small field and an herb plot? An herb plot is just a small field with the sign attached, right? Because it uses this same prim. Yeah. The same 3x3. It uses the same topsoil, the same base. So I think we just need to attach the sign. So we'll unlink the sign. Delete that. So we'll need the firmware text. We'll need to add this to the API. Okay. So delete. Delete. That'll be for that. Okay. Let's see here. Field script didn't get updated. Okay, so everything's been updated except the API scripts. Let's go update those real quick. So everything with the field API, the regular one, we can just update by putting the new one in. So new one goes in, old one gets deleted. Delete old one, new one goes in. Delete old one, new one goes in. Vegetable field, use the same API. Field API, field API, and field API. The vineyards use a vineyard API. So we will copy this, paste, rename. Instead of field, we want vineyard. And if I remember correctly, the only difference on the vineyard was we got rid of, yeah, we got rid of the dirt. So just the grain part was for the vineyard. Okay. So the dirt part here can go away. Dirt number can go away. Prim height, yes, that stays. Timer. Dirt can go away. Plowing can go away. Plowing can go away. There. Done. Oh, dirt number. Oh. Shrink and grow. Okay. And that's the vineyard one. Vineyard API. Oh, whoops. No. Vineyard API 18.0. Save. Not defined within scope. Initialize. There we go. Okay. Save. And done. So now, that's Vineyard 18.0. What's that about a hammer? Well, seeing I'm not a blacksmith, I need use for the hammer. Swings hammer, yells for Drakkhis. Is that in reference to something I said, or am I confused? Well, I know I'm confused, but... Okay. That's the vineyard. And the wet field API. Edit. Rename. Okay. Oh, whoops. No, not rename. I forgot to copy it first. So this is still the vineyard. Need to make another copy of this one. Paste. And this one becomes the wet field. Okay. So now we edit that. Then we look at the changes we did for that. And I think I had an IM. Developer, KVC owner, Builders Brewery, Firestorm. Okay, just building stuff. Okay, so we had the wet num now. Wet num and water height. I think we will need to add. We can close this one. Close that one. Close that one. Okay. Wet num and water height. So now we'll need to add a shrink water. And wet num will go to its small size. Size Z. No. Vector water size equals I'm just going to copy this. V. And we are going to get water num. here. Water size Z equals size Z. And then this goes to water size. Okay. So that we can make the water wider than the grow area, because the base prim sets the grow area. Water num equals water. Okay. And then we go shrink water. Yes. Okay. If current action is watering. Yes. And we want all this. Elapsed time percent. Okay, vector, water, finish, size. Okay, there we go. So we want to add these down here. V. Water state. Water state Z. Rut. New size. Okay. So that should take care of the water growing now. Shrink water. Initialize. Wait. So setting the height, set size is there. So we need to set water size also. Set water size. No, we don't need that. We need water height. We don't need that. B. Okay. Then we just add set water size to initialize. There and there. Okay. That should be good on that. Set size, yeah, we don't care. Set link alpha, we don't care about that. We didn't change any of that. Plowing. Good. File, save. And it saved correctly. Wet field API 18.0. $17.5 gets deleted. 18.0 gets put in. Wait. Did I got the water num, but did I ever set? Oh yeah, water num is set. Okay. I never checked one thing. Got to look at here. Grow, shrink, water grow, water shrink. Ah. The make visible. Copy. See, this is why I triple check everything. Shrink. I forgot to add the make visible. And where was the make visible for water? Make visible water. There we go. How was stage timer plowing? Oh, okay. But this, we just want watering timer. When we set it, then we just make sure the visible is set to 5.0. And we also do that on initialize. Wait, no. Set water size. We do on shrink water. There we go. Save. Okay. So now that can go in. Okay. All these can get deleted. And then we can just take. And then we re-res out the small field. We find this box. Delete all of these. Put all of those in. And this becomes the 18.0. So that is the one that will go out to everyone. Now, pop, and this comes over here. Gets moved there. This gets moved there. Love snap to grid. Want to make sure it is sticking. Right about there. And oh, camera jump. There, that's good. There, that. And we link it to that. And this will become an herb plot. But we want it smaller. Yeah, okay. We want to edit linked. like that. Go like that. 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 No. Trash. Okay. Edit linked. Okay, original size. We just need to edit link that, increase that, and increase that just so we can we need to unlink the sign real quick. Unlink. Okay. So now we have this. We can come over here. Kind of lined it up. And then shrink. There we go. Yes, that's a good size right there. Boom. Perfect. So now we can come back in here. Edit linked. And that. Edit linked. And that. There. And there's the herb plot. Well, need to line that up. Line that up. Come over here. That can go about there. Just needs to go down. Yes. And it. Link. Delete that. Now this gets the recent furware. Where did I put that? That was in the objects. I put that right. Yep. Furware text generation. And then, oh, we might need to change one thing about stage. Because if we come into the API, we look at when current stage, see, it's getting the prim height. But are we ever getting the item name? I don't think we're ever setting the item name for the API to use. And we want to do that. So that'll be in stage, edit. Come down here. Oh. Pack them out. Current stage. Give items. Item use. Item use amount. Yeah, we'll use the item use. Let's see where we set that. No. Oh, that's auto run. No. Five. Get stage. Item use checker. Check stage. When they select the seeds, that's where we want to do it. Listen. No, it would be a link message. No. Ah, here. Item use. Right protected item use is... No, set item. There we go. It's when the set item. So LL link set data right. Current item equals item. There we go. Link set data delete current item. Now, when you delete a link set data before you set it, it just guarantees an update. That's what it does. So that'll tell the item that is seeded or whatnot to update the text. So file, save. Okay. And that was stage 18.0. So now we just need to drop that in there. Come over here. It doesn't matter for the other scripts right now. Stage. There we go. Or not the other scripts, but the other fields and stuff. Because this is the only one that we're using it. But in the future, when we update the other ones, they'll be able to grab the set item name as well. Okay. Actually, I should bring them all back out and update them all again. Because owners might want to do this. So they can know for their large fields or whatnot, they can modify them to have this sign as well. We'll see. So now that we know it does that, field API. And we want the recent trash herb plot 0. And is this the item use? Listen, item use. No, I don't think this is the script where we're setting it. Definitely not. Okay. Delete. Nope, not that one. Nope. Definitely not. What did I do with it? I lost the prim. Oh, there it is. That is herb garden controller. That's what we want. Okay. Copy that. Okay, so this rename herb plot API, edit, then we're going to go there. Oh, no, wait. Reset goes at the state entry. Edit. Note set. Okay. State entry. reset. Then this link message here. We don't need the owner say. And this copy if stage if name is equal to current item. B and value. And if the script gets reset, data read current item. Okay. Save. And then we need to come into here, edit. We need to delete current item when it goes back to 0. Set texture, gather items, finish stage, no sensor, timer, work timer. Let's just look for max stage. Stage max, there we go. Is it initialize we want? Ah, okay. Delete, data delete current item. Then current item is blank. Save. Okay. That should be it. And here. Update. We can replace the stage again. There. Then we set this. Clear all. This should be set to be an herb plot. So now, get rid of this. Edit. SLC underscore, no. SLC herb plot. I'm going to take a copy. Throw it in here. And I'm going to test. You need to use a hoe. Use tool. Hoe. Click. And I'm hoeing my herb plot. Herb plot, hoeing the herb plot. I hope y'all are enjoying this. As soon as we get this finished, we are going to be moving on to some Godot development. This was just the last field that needed to be updated. And I know a lot of you herbalists and alchemists are wanting your individual herb plots instead of having to do 8 at a time. Finished plowing. Let's see here. Let's give us some lavender. We're going to go here. SL Colonies. Player admin. Drakkhis search. We want to give us lavender. And we'll give us just 1,000 to test with. Okay. Lavender. And there it goes. Lavender goes right on the sign. And planting. Oh. Okay. Well, good thing we saw that. Nearby chat. what was saying that? Yeah, that was the herb plot saying that. Quest message. Why is quest message being set on channel 0? Oh. No. Well, let me look at gonna have to pull the coding off screen for just a second. Oh. That would explain it. Copy. V. Copy. B. Okay. Hey. Okay. So here, I should now be able to edit. I can bring this back on screen now. There. And I just have to go through really quick and recompile everything that has 18.0. Recompile. Just an error in the header. Compile. And just to let you know, everything that's 18.0, that's the stuff that's already been updated to work with quests. Okay. Okay, so now we have lavender set. I should need to water it. Yep. Use tool. Play jar. And use water. And it's growing. Yep. Okay. So we want to come in here and stage. Just want to really quickly just set this to 30 seconds. Save. And then Z. So that's the when it has 30 seconds left. Reset scripts. I think I broke it. Yeah, I broke it trying to do that. But it seems to be working well. So we can take that, edit per plot here, delete. Per plot. Now we just need to... those should all be good. So we will take a copy of this. And we will come up to SL Colonies. And there. That should be all the fields ready for release. Just have to do all the permission stuffs on SL Colonies. And we can get them out to you guys. Okay. So now we go into Godot work. Let us fire up Godot. It's been a couple weeks. Cooking app. We want to edit. Okay. How was it looking? That part was looking good. And if we played it, we got all of our items nicely right there. Our recipes, we haven't got our recipes displayed, but we've got the recipe button. And when we click on an item, we can't put it in the cutting board yet. Okay. But we do have the recipes up down here. Recipe description. Okay. So what we wanted to do, let's see here. We want to create a new scene of just the recipe name. Okay. So we have the, here it is. Recipe scene. Recipes. Recipe names. So this is the recipes scene. The items. Okay, we want to duplicate the items. And we want to call this recipe. Duplicate. And we want to open the recipe. We don't need a quantity. Text rectangle. Okay. Change this over to recipe. We detached script. recipe container. No, we'll just put recipe. Create. Okay. We want to AC AV. We're going to go here. F and item name. So you can't rename all of them. Okay, we don't care about quantity or type. Button, pressing button. We're not going to worry about what the button press does right now. So we'll just pass on button press. Set item. Item name. We don't care about quantity. Or type. Just item name and texture. Quantity, nope. Type, nope. Add quantity, subtract quantity. Nope, nope. Okay. So we save that. Save scene. Recipes. Okay. Okay, so recipes. Then game manager, hit player, come into here, player recipes, for response and inventory item. So here, for recipe in response recipe info. Recipe and recipe info. Then we're going to go var name equals recipe. And then we come down here. Recipe name. Copy. Recipe name. And texture. Okay. And Unity icon. Okay. We just copy that part. Var recipe prefab equals reload var new recipe equals recipe prefab that instantiate var, not ver. New recipe dot name equals our name. Okay. Recipes. V. Don't care about quantity. And don't care about type. Okay. Files, save. Let's see if this did it. Oh. save, reload. Ah, recipe. Our name. There we go. Reload. Okay. And recipes. Aha! Now I need, when I click one, the ingredient, the name should come up here, and then the ingredients below it. Ugh. Hey Dark, good to see you in the chat. Sorry I didn't see you when you first came in. Okay. Recipe description. Okay. So now we come over to here. We need to add a recipe manager. And which is just a node. And then we need to add HTTP request underneath it. Okay. So add child node. Let's just add the HTTP request. Create. Attach script. Oh, wait. Get recipe. Then we need to attach script, create. So if we come over here and go to get player, get player competed, build core. So we're just going to grab this, come over to get recipe, paste. Okay, we're going to be using the item prefab because it's going to have a name and a quantity. We don't care about the player key. We're not going to get player, we're going to get recipe. And we want recipe name. We don't want it to print anything. HTTP request. Add child, new request. Self. Get recipe completed. Body recipe name equals recipe name. Be right back, everyone. Ooh, it's mail time. Shall we see what I got today? Huh. Simple. This is for an upcoming brewing project of mine. This is 2 jars of American style molasses. That's going to be fun to work with. Okay. Sorry about the interruption. I'm planning something very special to brew, and you'll get all information about that later. Okay, where were we? Recipe name, application, build body, cooking station, Godot, get recipe. Query body, okay. Okay, so now this needs to get recipe completed. If response is 200, so we want var ingredients is equal to response ingredients. Then we want to come here. Boom. Boom. For item in ingredients, item name, quantity, type, and here we want to add recipe ingredients. That goes there. So then we don't need all of this. There. That's all that needs to do. But first, it should delete everything in recipe ingredients. So here, copy, get recipe, dot, remove, okay, gotta look something up. Google. Godot. Remove all children. Okay, so it does look like I have to do a for loop. Okay. For child in remove child. And there. There. Okay. Now we just need to do the get recipe script. So we come over here. We have not opened our manager yet today. SL items, cooking station, Godot. Let's see here. select from recipe book. Okay, yeah, no. No, we don't need those right now. Okay, so copy new document. Okay. Gonna do this. If, and I had a new way of doing this recently. Item meter. Ah, yes. If server request method is post. Just a little more secure. So then we want recipe name. So recipe name equals recipe name. Cut. V. Copy V. X. Save. Okay. Save. So our recipe ingredients. recipe name, ingredient name, amount. Okay, so we don't care about the recipe name because we're getting it by that. Ingredient name, amount, type, and we don't care about the rest, just the Unity icon. Okay. So we get ingredient name, amount, type, and Unity icon. Ingredient name, amount, type, and Unity icon. Oh. Copy. Ingredients from recipe ingredients. Item from ingredients. Bar. I. Name. Okay. Recipe ingredients. New item. Quantity. Okay. So save scene, save scene. But it's the recipe button node pressed. Wait. Bar button when button pressed, button press. Okay. So then it's going to be so that recipe is under there. So we'll put it, we can put it where it's supposed to go. Recipe here. So, okay, there. Now we can delete that. Get recipe dot get recipe name. Recipe name will be item name. Okay. Save all. Save all. Let's test this. And we get a crash. Oh. There. That. Game manager. Recipe ingredients. That. No. We want that. Okay. Save all scenes. Save all. Refresh. Okay, recipes. Cooked fish. But it's not giving the number. Okay, if parent name is equal to recipes return. Okay. Save all. Let's try this again. Recipes. And again. Okay, there we go. Why is it not showing? Recipe, get recipe GD, amount. Here, yep, AMOUNT. Let's go to the view and recipes, and let's pull this over here, and now let's try. Okay. Ah, it is. It's just not wide enough. Okay. So recipes. And let's try it now. Aha! Okay, we can go over a little bit more. About right there. There we go. Okay. So people can click on the recipes. When they click the X though, nah, we need to put the recipe name up here. Okay. So, Blackboard, recipes, add child. We don't need an HTTP request. We need a label. Create. And we want it over here. And we want it like that. Yep. Label. Give it a little padding. And this will be the recipe name. Okay. So then come over here to scripts. Get recipe. So it'll delete all the children. Then it will recipe name dot Recipe name. Yeah, should be text. Set. F1. Label. Label. Properties. Text. Label to, okay. Set text. Set underscore text. Okay. Set underscore text. Should be recipe name. There. Save all. Save all. Recipes. Oh, yep. I just got to make it look better. Okay. $2D. Come over here. Center. Center. Word wrap. Word smart. Display. Label settings. Font. $32. Let's try that. $48. That's good enough. Okay. Well, let's make sure I didn't mess it up because I forgot to hit enter. Oh yeah, I did mess it up. 24. Enter. That's perfect. Okay. That. So that completes that section. It now pops up. It has all our information. We can click. We can view our past recipes. Oh, we need to have come over to control. Wait, recipes. Recipes. Script. Okay. So get recipe. Ingredients. Game manager. Copy. Dot recipe ingredients. Equals ingredients. Oh, don't need that. Okay, let's make sure that's working. No. So is it just game manager? No. Slash dot dot. Slash game manager. There we go. That's the right reference. So then we come here, 2D, we add a child node, a button, create. This button will be called cook recipe, or no, yeah, cook recipe. It will be whoop. We're going to make it here. The text on it will be add to cutting board. Just like that. Then we come node pressed. Okay. We're going to attach a script. Add recipe ingredient. Create. Okay, we want this. Copy. B. We don't care about the parents. We just care about where did we get recipes? Ah, yes, game manager. Add recipe ingredient. Game manager dot add ingredient list. No. Okay. That's all we care about that button doing. File, save all, scenes, save all. Then we need to come to the game manager. We need to add a function. Add ingredient lists. It needs to (2D) control header player info. Player inventory. We need a scroll container and a box container. We're just going to duplicate this. Going to move it up here. And this will be current draft. Okay. Scene. Save all. Come back over to the script. Add ingredients. So, be almost the same. We want the item prefab. Hit player. And we want all this. And we want to add ingredient. So we want name, iname, quantity, we just need name and quantity. Yeah. Unity icon. And we'll go with type as well. Okay. Iname, quantity, Unity icon, item type. There we go. And then we're going to put this not there, but here. There. Then we can tab. Okay. So now that adds ingredients to that. Now we want a func remove ingredient. Name quantity. We're just going to pass for now. Okay. So save all. Then we want to come over to we want to do a for item in Game manager. Recipe ingredients. Add ingredient. Item. Ah, wait. We want var my name equals item dot how are we storing it? Get recipes. Okay, we want them like that. Copy. Oh, no. Back to control up here. Tab, 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 tab. And then for here, name, quantity, type, unity icon. My name. Quantity. Item. Type. Unity icon. Okay. File, save. Scene. Save all. File, save all. Recipes. Add to clipboard. And it added them all to the clipboard. Or to the cutting board. Nice. And it added the 10 cooked fish as well. Okay. Now we need a clear cutting board button. How's this looking compared to the current cooking app? Everybody liking this? Let's see how it looks in world. Project. I just got to remember how to do this. Export. No. Project. Debug. Editor. Export. Okay. SLC. Cooking. F. Godot build. Cooking. New folder. Godot build cooking. Okay. Export. Save. Close. Okay. Let me come over here. SL Colonies sim items. Cooking station. Godot. Build cooking station. Then we're going to come in world. Edit. Delete. Oh, whoops. That's storage. We don't want storage. We want it over here. Edit. Cooking station. Godot app. Craft. Bud. It's the first time it's downloading, so it's going to take a little longer than normal. don't think I removed the debug parts, so nothing's showing up. Let us go look what I didn't remove. Game manager. Scripts. Game manager. We don't need to print that anymore. Would be UUID and player ID. Am I sending the right things? UUID. Something I put in and never used. Okay. Hey. Oh, syntax error. Save. Build object, save back. Craft HUD. Yeah, it's going a little bit faster this time. I wish it was just instant open. Okay, we're going to have to look at what we're doing over here. Build object, save back to object. ID and station ID. Copy. B. Save. Or say B. There we go. Build object, save. Craft HUD. Come on. F12. Refresh. It's loading. Console. Okay. HTTP request get player GD. Invalid call to function get player. File, save all. So get player. Let's make sure it's still working in here. I didn't break anything. Okay, yeah, it's still working in here. Storage. Project settings. Main scene, yeah. Window audio. Okay. Project. Export. Export project. Delete. Yes. Delete. Save. Good thing I'm testing it at this stage. Wouldn't be good to test it at a later stage and find out it's totally broken. Okay. Come back to here. Nothing. Okay. We need to come in here. First thing that happens, control, game manager. It gets ready. So we want to print and what's the get parameters? Copy. Let's just print get parameters. So check URL. Else. Get parameters. And then copy. Player key. Oh. Station key. Player key. Get parameters. Let's try that. Save all. Save all. Does it still work in here? Yes, it still works in there. Export. Export project. Save. Okay. And just getting ready to export it to the server. Dark is all jumpity jump. Trying to get that star, Dark. It is uploading to the server. Okay, it's uploaded. Now let's try this again. Yeah, I know, especially with the delay. Because you're seeing it like 20 seconds after. And we have to have the delay because of YouTube. Aha! There we go. Of YouTube translating and giving closed captions. So recipes. Add to board. Yay! It's working. I need to adjust the position of the recipe thing. And okay, that is my last ingredient. Nice. Ta-da! Okay. Yeah, so it's literally where the star is on the screen, you're seeing it 20 seconds or so, 10, 20 seconds after it is where it is. And then you hit jump, and then you'll have to see another delay before you see your avatar jump. So it's really, really difficult to get those stars when we have closed caption on. Ah, okay, Regina. So we know, just to keep it in mind, we got to come in here, 2D, and this, the recipes button, needs to get moved over to like there. There. And there. Okay. That should be good. So we know background where it's actually cutting off. Huh. it's actually cutting off there. So the blackboard, blackboard, we want it to come over like that. Okay, a little to the right. There. And this a little to the left. This little to the left. There we go. That's looking good. Mm. Oh yeah, I spell it wrong all the time. I'll let me go in and correct that. I believe that's the way I'm supposed to spell it. I have spelt it wrong for most of my life. I don't know why, but I believe it's one of those things. It was actually spelt the other way, and then it's like everybody knows it was spelt the other way, and the spelling just changed overnight. It's kind of like the Monopoly guy. He's supposed to have a monocle. I remember him as a kid with a monocle. But if you look, he's never had a monocle. I remember him clearly having a monocle. It's one of those conspiracy theories. Okay. So now we've got the alignment. We wanted to add one more button. Duplicate. This will be clear craft. And we need to detach script, attach script, clear craft, and this script was here. Copy, clear craft, B. It will be game manager dot clear craft. Nice. I love dragon layers. I had one once that was a underwater dragon layer, and I had underwater volcanoes with bubbles and lava coming out of them, and yeah. Okay. So this gets save all. Come back here. Clear craft. Recipes. This one is clear craft. Scene. Save all. Script. Now we need to make this function in the game manager. So it would be for item in dot get children item dot remove child item. There. File, save all. So now if we play it, we go into recipes, we add that to our cutting board, but we want to start over Clearcraft. Yes. Okay. I think that was good work for today. Save all. Save all. I would like to thank you all for coming along with me on this journey today. I promised you a stream this week. So you had up to 6 coins, you gambled them, and you lost them all. Good thing I'm not doing a giveaway during this stream, huh? And thank you for being here with me. Hopefully we'll get the new fields out soon. And looks like we're making good progress on the cooking station for Godot. And I'm making good progress in the background. Can't show you guys yet, but making progress on the questing system. That's what I've been doing mostly when I haven't been streaming, so. Besides being screwed up with allergies. Really bad allergy year. Well, it's been great, you guys. And it's been about 3.5 hours. So I'm going to be signing off. And I will see you all around. And I will be streaming more next week. But I'm going to go enjoy my weekend. So have fun. Have a great time with SL Colonies. And chat me up if you need anything.